So I ordered my NGrave Zero device, and I ordered the ultimate combo pack, which includes the items shown on the screen at a total cost of €507, which represents a discount of approximately €90 off the base price. It was purchased at the start of the spring sale on Friday the 31st of May 2024, and it arrived via DHL Express delivery on June the 4th, which was a Tuesday. So over the weekend, basically 3 working days for it to arrive. No problem with the delivery at all. And now I'll just go on and do a brief unboxing video so that everyone can see exactly what's in the pack and make their own assessment of it. Okay, so today we're going to be doing an unboxing and review of the NGrave Zero product. This is actually the ultimate pack with a purchase price of approximately €500 after discount. I got it during the spring sale in May of 2024. Okay, so opening up the top, you see they've written there, "Start truly only what's yours," NGrave, which is their message and is, consistent with hardware wallets. And here we have some cards which are instruction manuals basically about how to do certain things. One of them is for the Zero device itself. The other one is for graphene, which is how to engrave your perfect key, your hexadecimal perfect key, into the steel plates for preservation and security. And the last one is dealing with the Liquid app, which you would download onto your mobile device. At the next layer, we have the Zero device itself, which is about the size of, an old iPhone, one of the first generation iPhones or second generation iPhones. Has a 4-inch screen. It's not a massive device. It is quite sizable, quite heavy. We've got the fingerprint scanner and the camera on the back. Here we have the USB-C connection cable for charging and also for updating the firmware. And the only other button is the power button there. It comes with a plastic screen protector, but there's another one in the Ultimate pack as well. We'll come to that later. Lots of foam, some kind of notice there, more foam. Here we have the first USB-C charging wire with the NGrave logo, and a punch for punching into the graphene backplate. More foam. Down here on the bottom layer, there are 2 metal plates. One of them is a back plate. This one is the one where the engraving would actually go on. And that's the one that you'd be using the hole punch to actually punch into. Let me just move this over and pop that there. And this one is the one which will contain your, basically your perfect key. You'll see lots of letters and numbers on this on the reverse, but I don't want to reveal this simply because it contains a unique identifier number, and that's not a terrifically good idea. But if you look at the NGrave website, or if you look at other examples that you can find in other creators' videos, you will find many examples of the front of that. Now, in addition to this is the basic pack, and because it's the Ultimate pack, there are a few other items. The first is an additional USB-C charging cable. We'll just pop them together there. And then we have a shield, call it a shield, for the Zero, basically the same as you would have with a mobile phone. It's a screen protector, something to clean it, and then you pop it on. The instructions are on the back. And then finally, 2 more metal backup plates here. The back plate only, this one, not that one. So just put that one there. And that one there. There are 3 identical plates, quite heavy, each of them. And the purpose of having these is so that you can actually split the hexadecimal key into 3 parts, or you can make 3 separate copies, 3 complete copies. It really is up to you how you want to approach security. But this is the content of the Ultimate pack with a purchase price of around 500 euros after discount. It's not cheap, but the question is, how viable is it? And does it really offer an improved level of security as opposed to other cheaper versions that you can get, such as a Ledger or a Trezor?